Do you ever sit around and wonder what it would be like to be financially free? No more worrying about your bills every month and maybe no more exchanging all of your daily hours for money in order to pay for your necessities. I know that I have been in jobs that I don't really like and feeling stuck just because I needed a paycheck. When we talk about financial freedom or financial independence, we mean the ability to make decisions about your life without worrying about how you'll pay the bills afterward. Most people require a strategy in order to achieve actual financial freedom. And this is the part where most people become sidetracked. In the middle of our hectic daily routines, achieving financial independence seems like it can be an impossible goal. However, if you break it down into manageable parts, everything becomes more attainable and realistic. As a bonus, it makes the journey less daunting. That is why today, we are going to talk about these 6 stages of financial freedom and how will these work together to help you achieve all of your financial goals. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything related to money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and click subscribe. When it comes to becoming financially free, most people think that the only way to achieve true financial freedom was to amass such a large amount of wealth to the point that there is no need to have a job. But it is important to recognize that financial freedom exists along a continuum. It's not a case of all or nothing, but rather an ever expanding variety of choices that we each get to make. Here we have identified stages of financial freedom for us to think about. It's important to remember that achieving financial freedom is a journey. And each stage provides you with greater flexibility and self expression, which are all attributes that contribute to greater happiness. Before you can start moving through the 6 stages of financial freedom, you have to get over a first hurdle. If your expenses are more than your income, you are in the stage 0 of financial freedom. Sounds funny, but let me explain. So, stage 0 is dependence. At this point, financial help from others is required to maintain your current lifestyle. This is where we all begin. This is how we come into the world. It takes different amounts of time for different people to finally get to their financial freedom stage. Like if you still live at home with your parents and depend on them for financial support, you are in this stage. If your monthly expenses are higher than your income, you are now in this stage. If your monthly debt payments are more than your income, you are in this stage. When you start making a profit, you will begin working your way through the 6 phases of becoming financially secure. You see, the first 3 stages are known collectively as the surviving stages. So let's go to stage 1. Stage 1 is called solvency. The capacity to fulfill your financial obligations is the definition of solvency. This is when you have reached the point in your life when you're no longer reliant on the support of others financially, when your income is sufficient to cover all of your outgoing costs, and when you're no longer building any new debt. So you can consider yourself to be at this stage when you have reached the point where you're making a profit, or another way to say it is that you have extra money at the end of the month. This happens to some people even when they're still in their teens. But unfortunately, some people never reach this stage. Let's go on to stage 2. So stage 2 is stability. So this is when you're now beyond just fulfilling all of your financial obligations. When you have paid off all of your consumer debt, have some savings set aside for your unexpected expenses, and are still making a profit for yourself. You have now achieved financial stability. You may still have some good debt, such as student loans or a home, but you've gotten rid of other responsibilities and built up a cash cushion to shield you against unforeseen circumstances. So let's head on to the stage 3 of the survival stage, which is free agency. So this is the last level of the survival stage, which allows you to work and live however and wherever you desire. What marks this stage is that you've now paid off your college loans, a mortgage, and you have sufficient savings to quit your job at any time with no guilt or hesitation. The amount of your savings will be different for everyone. Next, we head out of the survival stages. Phew! So we're done with that. Over the course of the final 3 stages, you'll make the transition from surviving to thriving. You can no longer rely on money as a safety net. Rather, it is a tool that may assist you in constructing the life you desire for yourself and your family. But hey, before we go to the last 3 stages, feel free to leave a comment below, like this video, and hit the subscribe button to get more updates from our channel. Now, let's go to the next stage. So the next stage is stage 4. Stage 4 is security. When your investment income is enough to satisfy your basic necessities, you can now consider yourself financially secure. This is depending on how much you have saved and invested. You might just be able to lead a simple lifestyle where you can afford to survive and buy your basic needs without working a single day in your life. You have enough money saved up to cover the cost of a modest place to live, food, clothing, and health insurance. I think the key word in this stage is modest. But if you want more than modest, let's look at the next stage. So here at the next stage, which is stage 5, this stage is called independence. So most of the time, people dream of achieving this state of financial independence. When you arrive at this point, your income from your investments is adequate to support your existing quality of living throughout the remainder of your life. This is when you're able to pay for the essentials, and you are also able to pay for some extra indulgences. A vacation each year, eating out, and maybe a hobby like golf are all available to you. And finally, we're here at the last stage, stage 6, abundance. When you have enough and then some, you have reached the final level of financial freedom. Congrats! Your passive income derived from any and all sources will not only allow you to maintain your current standard of living indefinitely, but will also provide you with the freedom to pursue whatever endeavor you choose. It is possible for you to give some of your riches to other people too. You will be able to travel the world while living a luxurious lifestyle. In fact, you even have the potential to create a powerful company. It now depends on you what you will do with the money you now possess. Just a thought, but the more money you put away in savings, the more freedom you'll have and the more opportunities for adventure you'll enjoy. Once you get past survival and into thriving, you will find that you are able to worry less and less as your level of financial independence rises. It will be so wonderful when you're able to base your choices on happiness rather than financial considerations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. See you!